What's up, everybody? Welcome back to an all-new episode of Conflicts. Today we'll be looking at something that's almost essential to any iPhone user out there. This here is the Anker Nano. Now, if you bought the new iPhone like how I did and got rid of your old one, kind of like how I did, you probably know that the new one does not come with a charging block. In fact, it only comes with a charging cable that is attached to a USB-C. This particular charger is designed to be your wall outlet that you should have gotten to begin with your iPhone. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so this here is our box. An information guide. So this says here that in 30 minutes the Nano will charge your phone up to 53% versus the original, which would be about 17%. Now, compared to any other adapter I've ever seen when it's designed for fast charging, and this here is absolutely the smallest. Shape-wise, design-wise, I think it's actually very efficient. Usually these particular adapters, especially with their 20 watt, they're quite big. Now, moving on, we have a few different other key elements. So this here is going to be our iPhone charger cable. It's got this nice chrome metal tip and then this nice cloth-like material that goes throughout the wire. Oh wow, look at that. So you just go ahead and plug it in on the bottom just like this and you're ready to go. Now the Power Port 3 is obviously bigger than the Nano, but it does contain a few essential elements, including two separate USB-C cable ports, so you can technically charge two devices at once. So you do have an indicator light there as well, which is kind of nice to see. So it is kind of hefty and it is quite durable looking, so I like that. And it's got this nice high polish finish with round edges. So this here is going to be a USB-C to USB-C cable. You can always use this for a variety of other tools and devices as well, including the Android devices. Now lastly, on the bottom here, we have ourselves a European charging adapter. So you can technically go ahead and pop this bad boy off just like that, and then go ahead and slide in this new one, and you're ready to go worldwide. I think this actually is a great buy, especially if you're looking for a charger for your new phone or Apple product or Samsung product, mainly because some of these devices don't come with it. So yeah, there you guys have it. Now if you guys had any questions about the Nano or any of the other devices by this particular company, feel free to comment down below. Otherwise, thank you once again for watching. We'll see you guys next time. Take care now. Bye-bye.